Flowers! Amazing!
What's flower?
Gusto mo lang magpaspa pero makapupunta ka sa outer space.
What do you mean?
There's flowers. That's awesome. Gusto mo na talagang ano
Should be Star Wars.
Gusto ko talaga yung island life So nice. And there's
Poseidon.
Club Galaxy.
Well, mommy, look, there's Poseidon.
Where?
The Greek god.
Yeah,
Poseidon's god.
I know. So nice.
The dad of Percy.
Careful, my
Percy
love.
Jackson. The dad.
Yeah. And then, wow, ang ganda pa ng araw ngayon. Makulimlim lang. Hindi masyado mainit kaya ang sarap mag-walk sa downtown area nila. Yeah, and then there's si Boracay.